Good afternoon, ma'am. We are the Group 5, and I am Princess Kulot.
And I'm Gutierrez.
And I'm Shirley Moreno.
And I am
We are going to talk about
Sales and Marketing Department.
Okay, sales and marketing department. Okay, there are the rules of sales and marketing. Okay, number 1, sales. Activities related directly to servicing consumer demand and fulfilling clients. Okay, rules of sales and marketing. Okay, what is sales? So sales is the activities related directly to servicing consumer demand and booking clients. Okay, the second one is marketing. Marketing is the activities designed to increase consumer awareness and demand by promoting and advertising them. Okay, there are some rules of Director of Sales and Marketing. Identify and cultivate clients, manage hotels' marketing efforts, seek rates to maximize RevPAR, negotiate sales contracts on behalf of the hotel, serve as a leader to hotel sales and marketing team. Sales and marketing in the hotel. Okay, from front office, then in the middle is the influence, then next is the function rules. Then the second one is the sales marketing, in the middle is the influence, and the last one is group sale. Then is a fancy event sales meeting of hotel staff. And the last is post sales page. Number 1 is write thank you note to each group. Number 2 is review the final year. The number 3 is include the hotel's current clients data by database. And number 4 is fill all written reports.
So, sales efforts and sales and marketing activities. So, first is promotion. It is a special packaging of products or services. It is a strategies used to create incentives for customers to make a purchase, engage with the brand, or take a specific action such as mga discounts and coupons, buy one get one, mga flash sales. Second is publicity. It involves securing media placements in newspapers, magazines, online platforms, TV, and radio to create positive exposure for a brand, product, or services. So, publicity is valuable because it provides third-party validation and credibility, enhancing the brand's reputation and credibility. Third is public relations or the PR. It focuses on managing the relationship between an organization and its stakeholders, including the media, customers, employees, investors, and the community. So, public relations includes activities such as media relations, crisis communications, event planning, community relations, and internal communications. So next is internet sales and marketing. So one of this is the online reservation system. So online reservation system is a software application that enables businesses to manage and facilitate bookings, appointments, and reservations through their website or online platforms. So, teaming of GDS with Internet. So, GDS means Global Distribution System. So, through the Internet can be a strategic move for businesses in the travel and hospitality industry. So, global distribution systems are platforms that provide travel-related services and products to travel agencies, online travel agencies, and other distribution channels. So, through this teaming with GDS, the Internet can provide businesses in the travel and hospitality industry with a range of benefits, including increase in visibility, streamlined distribution, access to a wide audience, and competitive advantage in the market.
My topic is all about types of advertising. The first is exterior engage. Exterior engage is an object that conveys information, and any device features display or placard which is affixed to place on or proximity to or display from within a building to attract the attention of the public for the purpose of advertising, identifying, or communicating. The example of exterior engage is anang billboard niya makita nimo sa dapit kasada or kanang kasagaran niya makita sa building para kaning kaning placard nga makita nimo sa building is moning makapa-attract o makapadali o mga customers. Second is in hotel and in rooms engage and materials. An object that conveys information. Hotel advertising comes in many forms, from printed brochures and directories to video ads and virtual reality experiences. Its properties. The first example of advertising of hotel is kanarang mga ads or mga brochures nga ipakita or ginaprint nga mga pictures sa hotel. Third is radio or television commercials, and your business can create a memorable image or your business through creative messaging in your TV or radio commercial and strategic advertising placement. As kanang mag-advertise sila pinagi sa TV, mas makadani og mga customer o maka-attract mga customer if sa TV ka mag-advertise or sa radio pareha nang gipang-advertise sila nga mga sabon nga mga product nilang ipang-advertise para dali ra. 4 is direct mailing. Direct mailing is advertising mail, also known as direct mail, junk mail, mail shot, or ad mail. Letterbox draft or letterboxing is a delivery or advertising materials to recipients of postal mail, or kanang mga link nga ibasa, then nga nandito ang mga advertising about ng product or mail shot or ad mail. 5 is internet banners. Internet banners is advertising refers to when a creative ad is displayed on a host site in hopes that it will drive traffic to the advertiser's priority site. Simply put, banner advertising is a type of digital advertising through creative ads known as banners. Email message is newsletter usually inform subscribe about new products, upcoming events, or promotion. Marketers tell prospect what they will receive after leaving their email address in a subscription from. Kaning email advertising is kanang mag-send kag mga newsletter to the customer or of a particular brand. Next is yellow page. Yellow page, the section of a telephone book that lists business and professional firms alphabetically by category, and that includes classified advertising also. A list of products or services that is independently published. Ang pinaging pag-advertise is telephone book, address, business of professional firms in terms of alphabetically. Next is franchisers of light advertising bicycles. Franchise advertising is a symbiotic relationship between a franchisor and a business owner. Both share vested interest in the success of the franchise. A franchisor is an entity of company that owns and develops a successful business concept, brand, and operating system. Next is billboard. Billboard, also called a boarding in a UK and many other parts of the world, is a large outdoor advertising structure. A billboard typically found in high traffic areas such as alongside busy roads. Billboards present large advertisement to passing pedestrians and drivers. Billboard is kanang makita mo nga pareha itong ingon atong ganina, atong first nga makita nimo sa gawas nga nara sa kasada kanang nadito gibutang mga advertising about silang product. Next is personal contact. Personal contact often involve face-to-face meeting, phone calls, through full gift, or analog communication such as handwritten notes. You can use a personal touch in marketing to create the certain relationships with customer and the accounts. Personal contact is kanang face-to-face nimo siya nga maghatag og explanation about mga products or meetings or phone calls throughout gift or analog communication such as written notes. Next is effective advertising. Eye or ear catching. Eye or ear catching advertisement is a combination of several visual aspects ranging from the image or video itself to things as basic as the colors and fonts you choose. Image is unimportant, but fonts have a significant impact on what your ad communicates. Next is memorable. Memorable piece can lead to increased brand awareness and even increased sales. So if you want your brand to be successful, it's important to create memorable ads that make an impact. Example ani nga memorable nga advertising kanang imong mga kanang gi-advertise mo nga product di mao ni hinungdan nga advertising nga ning logo or ning kusog ang inyong business. Next is sell the hotel's features. Cost effective, does not become quickly outdated, reflect positively on hotel's image, can be easily directed to the hotel's core client and groups. And mga salamat.